Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the 360 Crypto channel. I'm your host, Eric. I go by 360. Another day, strength in numbers. We grow together, guys. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you guys once again. I appreciate, if you guys are tuning in, if you're new, if you're not new, don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. Today, we're taking a different twist. We're actually going to be showing you how to buy Bitcoin, right? Let's get this show started. As always, make sure you follow my Instagram, 360 Crypto. I'm trying to post up daily news, keep you guys informed. You can go back to the past and just see when Bitcoin was at 10,000. I was taking screenshots of it. So let's get this show started. So I've noticed a lot of people are still wondering how to buy Bitcoin, right? Pretty much simple now. It's gotten easier over time how you can buy Bitcoin. As for myself, where I buy my Bitcoin and where I store it, I'll be going over it today and showing you guys how I buy, how much I buy, where do I buy, pretty much where I send it and store it. So, all right, guys. So as you can see, the one place you do not want to buy Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency is Robinhood. You do not want to buy there. It's a no-no. You do not want to buy there. You should never buy there. The reason why is you cannot withdraw or you cannot deposit any crypto assets. So Robinhood is not a place where you should be buying Bitcoin. One of the simplest and fastest way where you can be buying Bitcoin, honestly, is Cash App. Very, very simple to use. The only downside about buying on Cash App is that when you buy through an application like this, you are buying above the price of Bitcoin. So as you can see, you see it at 57. If I would want to put a buy entry, right? If I want to put a buy entry for $25, the price that I would be paying the exchange rate at 57. Then I would pay fees of 56 cents and I would only get 24.44 in Bitcoin, right? So in Satoshis, I would get 0.000428818. And now when I want to buy Bitcoin and I have 20 bucks, 30 bucks, usually I come and buy it here and then I transfer it out. That's one place where you would buy Bitcoin. The next place, just let you guys know, there's links in the description as well. You can actually earn up to $30 when you guys sign up to Cash App. So you can use that $30 to buy some Bitcoin. So the next place where you could be buying cryptocurrencies would be Coinbase. Coinbase honestly has a good amount of tokens you can buy. You can buy Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Litecoin, Stellar, and so forth, right? And they keep adding on to the list, which is a good thing, right? So someone that's fairly new getting into crypto, this is the application that you would want to use and for you to buy Bitcoin or any cryptocurrencies that you see on their exchange. We call these exchanges. They're not a bank, they're called exchanges, which you convert your money into whatever assets that they have available for you. So this would be the next option where you would buy Bitcoin. To be honest with you, same thing. If you go in to buy Bitcoin here and you would want to buy with cash, I want to do $20, right? $25. Again, as you can see right here, I'm paying at a higher rate, 57.36. Now these companies, they have to make their money, obviously. Everybody has to make their money, so they're charging $1.49 for Coinbase fees. My purchase price would be 23.51, so it's less than Robinhood, right? And I would get 0.0040983 Satoshis. Wherever you buy Bitcoin, essentially on any exchanges, you have to pay their fees, right? Whether it be $1.99, $2.99. I think the more you go up in price, like if you would do, I don't know, $500, right? We want to preview this. You would pay more in fees. So my recommendation is when you're going to buy, make sure you're taking accountable the fees that you're going to pay. And I would jot them down. So when you cash out in the future, when you do your taxes, that you show that you paid all these fees. So that's one thing you can do, right? I would also buy Bitcoin. It's a decentralized wallet, which is called Atomic Wallet. In this wallet, they also have certain cryptocurrencies that you can buy. You have Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin SV, Bitcoin. What pretty much you would go here The only downside with the Atomic wallet is the minimum you can purchase is $50. That is the minimum that you can purchase. And then they have a list of pretty much all these cryptocurrencies, right? You have the Ethereum base, then you have your Bitcoin on top, and then you have Shiba, which they just added, which is crazy. The cool thing I like about this wallet is I actually have crypto in here. I have some in here. I actually stake in here ZIL, Solana, and that's pretty much what I have in here. We'll go more depth in what cryptos I have in this wallet, but usually I buy my Solana here on this wallet. Again, I'm not paying at a higher price, so I'm not buying it at a spot price that I want to buy it at, and I'm going to show you where you can do that. Essentially, what I buy here is I buy my Cardano, and I buy my Solana, and as well I buy, I think, ZIL and VET. So you would go here, whatever, and buy whatever token I want. And as you can see, this is the balance, which is crazy. It's not showing my Cardano. That's weird. Okay. But anyways, moving on. The next place would you want to buy. Now, this is where it gets a little more tricky, and this is where you become more pro, right? You can say when you want to buy Bitcoin at a certain price, you would come to Coinbase Pro. You can come here to Coinbase and buy $10,000 worth of Bitcoin at whatever price. And you can see right now the market, it's 57.11, and there's people putting in bids on the right side for 56.99, 56.99, 57.13, 57.14, and so forth. And it's going crazy, if you can see right here on the left and the right? And this is if you want to buy it at a certain price and you don't want to pay with the fees. Obviously, they still have fees for trading, which is going to be less than you would pay in the actual Coinbase app, not the Coinbase Pro. They'll still charge you your fees, which probably be like less, $10-$20, maybe less than that if you're buying 10,000. But this is when you become a little more technical and you want to buy Bitcoin always at a certain price. I want to buy Bitcoin right now 57.07. I want to buy Bitcoin at 55. This is where you buy it, right? Called spot buying. One of the other ways that I buy Bitcoin, to be honest with you, I buy Bitcoin whatever price it is. If I see it at 57, if I see it at 58, whatever price I've been buying it at. To me, I see this asset as $1 million asset. Another company that I use is called Swanin. They buy your Bitcoin the cheapest price of the market, right? So right here, the cool thing about it, it's gonna ask again for the 2FA security. They're gonna send me a code to my email. Again, these codes change, so if you're watching it right now on this YouTube video, it's gonna change, right? So then you click here, log in, we paste the code. If you were trying to rob me, you would have to have my phone and you would have to have my face just to log into any of these accounts. And again, it switches. So right here we have the Swanin one, 811554. So now we logged in, and I'm gonna have this linked also. This is where you would want to buy crypto if you want to do an auto buys. I personally love this website, and as you can see, guys, I already bought $640 worth of Bitcoin, and the current value of that is 801. It's up 25%, which is not a bad investment, right? Cool thing about it is you can buy instantly, or you can set it to buy monthly or whatever date. So right now, as you look, I have Bitcoin withdrawals pending, 0 Bitcoins awaiting a lock, and then withdraw. So I have this set up every, I believe the 18th. And as you can see, we can go through my purchases that I've been buying Bitcoin. I bought 100 at 32,000, $10 at 33, $10 at 46. And the list goes on. We're at 56, and I bought it at 22. Again, I don't mind buying the Bitcoin price at whatever price it is, as long as I'm constantly buying Bitcoin and adding to my stats, right? This is like the main thing, to add to my stats, show stats. That's, like I said, guys, build those bags, stack those stats, and just keep building, keep building a portfolio, diversified portfolio. Like I said, I invest into Bitcoin, I invest into Bitcoin Cash, other altcoins that I do favor. So, once again, guys, don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button. These are the websites and the apps where I buy Bitcoin. I buy Bitcoin on Cash App, I buy Bitcoin on Coinbase, and I buy Bitcoin at Swan. I'll leave the link for pretty much all the applications that I use for you guys, so you can earn some money, free money. Again, you put $100 into the market, you're gonna get free money back. And start small, guys. You know, look, you don't have to go heavy. You don't have to put $1,000. You don't have to put $10,000. You can literally do small buys like I've been doing. And just by referring people, you get 10 additional dollars, guys. So if you guys click my link in the bottom, me and you are going to get $10 for just being referrals to each other. So thank you guys once again. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button. As always, guys, I'm growing. I'm learning with you guys. I'm only going to get better at this YouTube, talking with you guys, and appreciate you guys' love, support. I'm out. Peace out.